All right, now here's what we're going to do. We're going to feed these plants.
Mm.
And you're going to do the best you can. Tell them it's your first time feeding.
It's my hairstyle. I'm feeding
No,
plants.
no, you got to say it like you mean it now. You got to say my first time feeding you.
It's my first time feeding plants.
Okay, all right. Now, you hold the bag for me. Let me show you what we're going to do. All right, I'm going to put my hand in here. My hand won't fit in there. Look at that. It's too small. Can yours fit in there?
Yeah, I had to grab it.
Put it in there. Put your hand in there and grab a handful, and you're just going to sprinkle it all over these plants.
Yeah. Those ones over there too?
Wait a minute. Just do that. Do this one first. Do this one first. No, this right here. This one right here. Yeah. Sprinkle, sprinkle. There you go. That's it. Right there. Go all around. Put some more on them. And they'll eat that up tonight. Okay, we're going to get some over here and over there and all like that. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And the key is not to feed them too much.
Hey, look at my hand.
I know we're going to get you. We're going to get you cleaned up. Don't get it all over your clothes. Now, come on over here and give this one some. That's good job. Good job. Now we're going to do this one here. This the one really needs some help.
This one?
No, right here. Right there. Okay, get some more. We're going to take him. Go ahead and put some more in. That's it. Good, good. That's a good job. Come all around here and up in there like that. Okay, now we're going to do this one over here. You tired?
No.
Okay, all right.
I
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Adrian. He's doing a good job. Getting all. Just send your comments to Adrian. Thanks for feeding the plants. Okay, that's good. That's real good. Get some more. Okay.
I got some in there too.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now we're gonna get this one a little bit. That's good. Now we're gonna get this one. Just something there. Just one handful. That's all. Okay, there you go. That's perfect. Perfect. Now, should we hit this one?
Huh?
Should we get this one some?
Yeah.
Okay. Good, good. That's it. All right. Come on, let's walk over here.
Yeah.
Now, there's a gentleman online. He's called Food Farmers Permaculture. And he was telling all of us about mushrooms. Look at this right here. Watch this. See these round things here?
Yeah.
These are mushrooms.
Yeah.
But you can't touch them. You can't touch them because we don't know what they are. We don't know what they do. We just know that they're there. And they're growing because of the organic matter in the soil. Look at that right there. They round. And you can't touch them.
Yeah.
All right. So let's get away from those. All right. Pick up your bag. We're going up to another part of it. And look at that. It's a lot of them out here. These were not here a few months ago. And I know because, oh, this is another batch.
What happens if you get food to them?
Look at this. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. I stepped on that one.
Huh?
Come on, let's go up on this end here. See, when it rained, that's where they came behind the leaves. Oh, we got a helicopter up there. Sorry for the noise, folks. All right, look what we got here. We got collard greens here. Do these right here. You want me to do these?
Huh?
You want to?
I want to do.
You want to do them? Okay, all right. Go ahead. I appreciate it. But you're on the clock now. I can't pay you too much money.
Oh, those are sticky.
All right. Folks, that has been the Morning Garden Show today. A little bit of kids getting involved, get them involved in gardening. That way they won't be standing out on the corners. Okay, that's good, that's good. Now be careful. Get this one right here. Yeah, get that one.
Gotta go all around in the circle.
Oh, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. You're doing good. You're doing a good job. All right, you ain't got to do it fast. Come on around this way. Let's see what we got over here. Come on with me when you finish that. That's good. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, all right. That's good. Now.
I didn't know you had a whole garden over here.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
Let me show you something. That's a cherry tree right there. That's a pear tree right there. That's an apple tree over there. That's a plum tree over there. And those are peach trees over there. Okay. There's another cherry tree right here. And some grapevines over here. All right.
I already done some right there.
Okay, good. Now, I'm going to do these because I want to do these real quick and get it done.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. That's good. You want to walk up there and get the ones in a straight line. Folks, he's doing the best he can, but he's missing some of them.
Look at my arm.
Okay, that's good. Keep on. There you go. And you walk up further. Get the ones that are in the middle. Put some on it. You got to put some on there. Put some on there. That's good. That's real good.
Oh.
Look at him, scared to get stuck by the tree. All right, so let's come on back down this way. Come on back down this way. No. You're feeding weeds now. Come on back down. We don't want to feed them. Okay.
Why?
Because we don't need those to eat. We use those as food for the plants. Oh, look at it. Look at this collard greens here. Give these something to eat. Yeah. You want me to do these or you got it? You want me to do them?
You can help me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right. Wait, but my hand won't fit in the bag. You go ahead and do it.
This is one perfect for gardening.
Yeah. I don't know why they made the opening of the bag this small. I gotta watch you. You get that stuff on your clothes. Your mother gonna be like, uh-huh. All right, folks, we're gonna end this out, but he's feeding them. That's good. That's good. Yeah. Now, can you tell the collard greens from the Nope, you're feeding the weeds now. You want to go up this line? See that straight line there?
Yeah.
Go on up there and hit those.
Get it.
No, hit it right there. Hit those. Yeah.
How did he eat?
Well, it becomes mixed with water, and then they can eat it once the water falls. I got some onions over here growing too.
Huh?
I got some onions over here growing.
Man, pick some.
Look at that. I put those in beginning of this year. There's some ones. They come back every year, and then they come back every year. They're onions. All right, folks. Thank you.